take a look at SEBI's move on UPI handles. Now, SEBI has introduced, and I quote, validated UPI handles and SEBI Check. Now, these are the new frameworks that will go live from October 1st of this year. Now, according to this, only SEBI-registered intermediaries are to use at valid UPI handle, and investors can securely and identify and pay legitimate SEBI-registered entities. Anurag Shah is joining us with all the details.
To enhance investor protection and to combat frauds, SEBI has issued a circular of validate UPI handles, and it will be applicable from 1st October 2025, and it will be mandatory for all SEBI registered intermediaries to validate their UPI handles under the new rule. From 1st October 2025, the SEBI registered intermediaries like brokers, like advisors will have a UPI handle with a suffix of their category in which they are working, like a broker, so it will be BRK. For advisor, there will be a category mentioned in the username only, and for the UPI handle also the word validate will be there, so investors or those who are making payments will be aware that the right payment they are making, and after the payment also a thumbs up sign in a triangle also will be shown. So for the investor, they'll nothing need to be worried. Their existing SIPs will continue, but for the new SIPs, they will have to make sure that the @ valid should be there for all SEBI registered intermediaries. So, but these new rules will be applicable from 1st October 2025 only. So after 1st October 2025, if you are making a UPI payment to any SEBI registered intermediary, just make sure that the UPI handle need to have a valid name in it.
Thanks, Anurag.